2, 1. Shh. Voices off, please. Okay, those of you at home, I have your warm-up here. You're going to want to work on that and get that going. But you'll want to pause the video, do that, and then come on back because we are ready to go. Let's make this happen here, guys. So here we go. Eddie. Yes, Eddie D. Hold on, I'll wait for everyone to be quiet, though. Okay. Addie, what do I need to do to solve number 1? How am I going to use opposites and balance to find out what x is? Yeah, by what? Yeah, so we need to multiply by 5 because that's the opposite of dividing by 5. And on your scratch paper that you hand in with your skill check tomorrow, I need to see that you do understand opposites and balance. Now, I know that some of you guys, how many of you by raising hand knew that was 50 without needing your opposites and balance? That's fine. But the truth is, guys, part of this standard is making sure that you understand the nature of equations and how we use opposites and balance to solve them. So part of your grade is going to come from x equals 50. Half of your grade on your skill check tomorrow is going to come from x equals 50. The other half is going to come from showing me multiplying both sides by 5. That is going to be a thing, okay? Perfect. How many of us are able to get x equals 50 and aren't too alarmed by something like that? Those are your level 1s. Your level 1s tomorrow are one-step equations. Okay, or is that 2s? I'll double check. I'll double check. Let's see here. That's going to be Tommy. On number 2, what's going to be our first step here? That's right. We need to add 7 to both sides. So that's going to give me 2t is equal to 22, I think. And then what am I going to do to finish that off? Divide both sides by 2, and t equals 11. T equals 11. How many of us either got t equals 11, or we see how we got t equals 11 and aren't too concerned by something like that? You guys doing okay out there? Wait, table F, are you guys not okay with that? Oh, you guys are? Okay, please, guys. When I'm asking that, I'm not just trying to hear my own voice. It's when I see, like, if I see a lot of people not raising their hand, I start to get a little bit nervous. On number 2, guys, let's dial this in so I can see everybody. Big thumbs up. I got t equals 11 on my own. Leave me alone. I'm good. Big thumbs down. I don't know how you did a single step of that, and then dial it somewhere in between. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Okay, that looks good. Henry, you okay? You okay? Where are we? Okay, okay, okay. I want to see it. I want to see it. All righty, here we go. Taos, Luke, let's finish these off. Let's see here, guys. Rico, how would you solve number 3? What would be your first step there? I need to do a -9. Very good. And you got to be careful, guys, because that -5z sometimes gets people to think that that is part of your 9, but it's not. The -5z is talking to the 5. These little things that I use to like wave the hands or like clap or like they keep like coming over here and messing with my tablet, and it's very distracting. I'm going to put this in my calculator, -12 minus 9, because I'm tired and I can already feel myself making a mistake. -12 minus 9 is -21. So -5z equals -21. Rico, what do I need to do to both sides now? I'm glad we're talking. I think this happened yesterday too, didn't it? Yeah. So Rico, this says, will you please read that equation for me? Just read it out loud. -5z equals -21. There is a secret operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division going on. Will you read it again, but I want you to say the secret operation out loud, please. What operation belongs between them? So you're going to fill in the blank with plus, minus, times, or divided by. -5 blank z equals -21. Go ahead. Yes, that's a secret. -5 times z. Enrico, what is the opposite of multiplication? So I'm going to divide both sides by -5. And that gives me z equals, I don't know, -21 divided by -5, 4.2. Let's dial that in. Big thumbs up. You got 4.2 all on your lonesome. feeling great about that? Big thumbs down. You do not know how I did a single step of that and then dial it somewhere in between. I want to see everybody's thumbs in the air, please. Where are we on that problem? How do we feel about it? How do we feel about it? Okay, I know where I need to go to get some help. Yes, please, Mira.
I just have to pledge that we don't do the test tomorrow.
I'm afraid it's on the schedule, but we'll talk. We'll talk. We're getting a practice day today. We're going to practice today. Okay, Jane. Jane.
It's like knowing you're gonna die and you can't.
Voice is off, guys. Shh. Jane, how would I handle number 3? There's more than one way to do it. What would you do to start? So you would actually distribute the 3 into the parentheses. Remember, there's a secret 1 here. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Negative 3 times negative 1 is a positive 3u, and that equals 18. Now that's a 2-step equation, Jane. Go ahead. What should I do to solve it? Yes, I have to get rid of the annoying sibling first. So we're going to add 15 to both sides. 18 plus 15, I don't know, guys. I'm tired. I know I'm going to screw it up if I don't do it. Yeah. So 3u equals 33. Take it on home, Jane. What's the last step here? Great. And what does that make u? U equals 11. How many of us either got u equals 11 or see how we got that and aren't too concerned? You guys doing okay? Let's dial that in. Big thumbs up. Table A, table C. Big thumbs up. I got u equals 11, old man. I don't need your help. Big thumbs down. Feeling pretty rough about how that happened, and then dial it somewhere in between. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Okay, okay. Did anybody solve that the other way? Did anybody solve that the other way? No? Oh, no, River did. Very good. Oh, sure, sure, sure. But what did you do when you did that? Hold on. Bup, 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 bup. I want to talk. Did I forget the... I'm okay. What was it? River, I want you to tell me what you did, and I'm going to opposites and balances it so that you can get the points for that, okay? What did you do first? Yeah. That's division, yeah. So when we ask 3 times what is 18, that's technically division, right? So we divide both sides by, I'm going to make that a negative 3. This is how you would opposites and balances it. So 5 minus u is equal to negative 6. Keep it going. What'd you do with that number? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's, again, when you say 5 minus what would give me negative 6, this is kind of what I think might have been going on in your head. Divide both sides by negative 1, because you basically just ignored the negative in that story, which is fine. But this is how you would make it official. Like, the idea here is that you want to be able to tell someone u equals 11, and when they say, how'd you get that? You hand them a piece of paper, and then you run away. And then they should be able to look at your paper and figure out what you did. Let's get to it, guys. It is the 50th day of school. Since 50 neutrons slash protons make for a complete nuclear shell, 50 is a nuclear magic number. FYI, that's 10. Yay! It's National Oatmeal Day. Where do we stand on oatmeal, guys? Big thumbs up. Oatmeal's the bomb. I would eat it every day. Big thumbs down. I hate oatmeal. That slimy crap can stay off my breakfast table and then dial it somewhere in between. How is it? There you go. I love it. Good oatmeal is good, man. Good oatmeal is good. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the instant stuff myself. Can I get you in 5, 4, 3, 2? They're not up. 1. Shh. Waiting. Shh. Waiting. Table E. Summer, what's our first essential question today? Let's do it. How can we prepare for tomorrow's skill check? Skill check on solving equations. Okay. By the way, our Jeopardy! Spooky movies through the MPAA. Josh Hutcherson plays the new security guard at an abandoned pizzeria in this 2023 movie based on the video game. It's rated PG-13, and it is indeed Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's. And then monsters, that is vampire. Vampire is what I'm looking for. Vampire is what I'm looking for. Shh. Okay. Hey, guys, it's fine. Like, if you put your joke up there, that's fantastic. You don't have to shout it at the top of your lungs, please. Okay. We can read. All right. Will you guys open your planners, please, to page 50? Page 50, and we'll actually want page 51 as well. So page 50 and 51. Okay, on Wednesday, October 29th. Guys, today you're going to work on 5.4. That's your equations review. And that'll let you know about the levels on tomorrow's skill check, and we'll look at that together in just a minute. Yesterday was 5.3. That was equations with parentheses. And then if you go to Thursday, October 30, I hope I already told you guys to write this down, should be your equation skill check. If you didn't write that down already, please do so. Okay. All right. When I say teach, guys, you guys are going to say, okay, we've got about 15 minutes to work on 5.4. That's your equations review. Yeah, they weren't up. I'll check them again later, but for now, that was it. Yep. Go ahead, guys. Open up your Chromebook and let's work on 5.4.